Hi guys, welcome back to DX Games and More. Today we've got the brand new set in stock, Twilight Masquerade. So let's get started opening it. So this is a brand new set. We have actually not seen any openings for this set yet, so I am completely surprised. So we're going to open up the booster display box. We have some ETBs and the single pack boosters for this set. But we're going to go ahead and open up all 36 packs today. I'm actually by myself. The boys did not want to help me out. So we've got some different pack art here, 4 different pack arts. Very nice. I'm very excited about this set. Again, I don't even know what's in it. So without further ado, let's just actually find out together, huh? Illuminis, Appleton, Nose Pass, Sea King, Cook, Palafin, Tatsuguri, Reverse Hollow Shinx, Reverse Hollowed Armanitan, and a Hollow Chandelure. Code card for you guys there. All right. And we actually already have the pre-orders. We'll have them up by next week for the next set in the series. They're doing a specialty set. And I'll put the name of it here on the screen for you. So if you guys are interested in that, we will have the pre-orders as well for that. We do ship nationwide as well as several countries. Oh, look at that Torkoal. I absolutely love Torkoal. Such a beautiful... Look at that artwork. I might actually have to keep that one for myself. We do actually put the individual cards that we pull on this for sale. Minus the few that I keep for my collection, but that is an awesome Torkoal. I didn't even know, like I said, that it was going to be in this set, so very cool. We'll set that one aside, get a sleeve on that one. Got the Marnie playmat that we're using today. We do actually have a couple of playmats on our website as well if you're interested. dxgamesllc.com. Handheld fan, Spinnerack, Fini, and Ogidoji. That's an interesting one. Actually, must be one of the newer ones. Code card for you all there. We always give out the code cards. We actually used to play the TCGO. It's a great way to help learn how to play the game. Now we actually do play the individual card game. The boys and I and my wife, we do play the actual individual card game against each other. Feebas, Girafarig, Iron Bundle, Festival Grounds, Florges, Chansey, Timber, and another Hollow Chandelure. Just a popular one apparently. Alright, let's see. What do we have now? Here we've got Girafarig. I do love Girafarig. He's such a cute Pokemon. Vulpix. Who's your favorite, Vulpix or Ninetales? Ooh, that's a cool Eevee artwork. I don't have that one, so even though it's a basic card, definitely adding it to my collection. Perrin, Milotic. Ooh, they're continuing with these trainers here. These are some awesome trainers. Remember, you're only allowed to have one of these trainers in your deck, so you have to be very choosy with these Ace Spec trainer cards. Unfair Stamp. The last one was going for, one of them was going for like $25 a pop. So they're definitely some valuable if you do play the game. There's some value in those trainer cards for sure for you. So make sure you choose the appropriate one that fits your strategy. Very important when you're building a deck. So those A-Spec cards are pretty cool that they reintroduced those. I actually haven't made a deck with them yet, but I probably will pretty soon. Velobolt, Hassel, Poliwrath, Leafeon. Ooh, that's a pretty Leafeon. Goldeen and Zapdos for the Hollow. Which is your favorite of the trio of birds. Is it Zapdos, Articuno, or Moltres? Which one of the legendary birds would you choose as your favorite? I think I'm partial to, I mean, Zapdos is really cool looking, but I'd probably have to say Articuno. I just think he's such a cool bird. Tadball, Ariados, Caran, Cramorant, Mightyena, Enormous Rus, and a Heatran Hollow. So far just the Ace spec and an illustration rare of that Torkoal, which is awesome card. Not complaining, but we got a lot more packs to go here. Definitely a lot more packs to go. Slugma, Swirlix, Tedbulb, Applin, Skeleopede, Bug Catching Set, Apipom, Tangela, Monferno. Ooh, there we go. There's an ultra rare for us. Wellspring Mask, Orgapon EX. That is a mouthful, but definitely a beautiful EX card there. We'll get that one sleeved up as well. Code card for y'all. All right. What do you guys think of these new sets? This Scarlet and Violet era. Is it your favorite era? Do you like the Sword and Shield better? You know, which would you say was your favorite set series? They definitely come up with some very unique stuff. I got to give Pokemon some credit in this series, that they have definitely come up with some stuff that we hadn't seen before, you know. So I think that's really cool for them being completely innovative, and even right down to the game metrics. They're always innovating, which I think is why they've just been in business so long. Poochyena, Palossand, Aggron, Cook, Clefable, Poltergeist, Howlucha, Frostlast, and your basic energy. On a roll. I know I'm going through these kind of fast, guys. Just want to make sure we get through them all and everybody has a chance to see. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe if you're interested in these kind of pack openings. Brute Bonnet Ancient. Look at that. That is awesome looking. And that's just basic reverse hollow. That's cool. And Poliwhirl and Iron Leaves. I know the Iron Leaf sets are supposed to be pretty strong in the gameplay. Is that anybody actually play that's done the new deck? Have they made it? Any of you guys made a deck with Iron Leaves yet? It's pretty awesome. Okay, let's see. So I don't, like I said, I don't know who the big hitters are on this set. Is there a chase card? What do you guys think? What's your chase card for this set? Poliwag, Tatsuguri, Figurath, Jamming Tower, Dreepy. Ooh, that's a pretty Ninetales for a basic card. Oh, look at that. Full art trainer. We've got Hassel. How cool. Another hit. The hits just keep coming, guys. I mean, not a bad opening so far. Let me know what you guys think. What is that chase card you guys are looking for? Is it, are we opening it up today? Or are you just enjoying seeing all the cards that are artwork in this set? Like, I mean, that's just some beautiful artwork on that Poliwag, excuse me. Apipom, Darumaka, Corphish, Mightyena, Reverum, Florges, Bellybolt, Kadabra. How cool is that? Walking Wake, and our energy card. Huh. So far so good, guys. I'm enjoying these. I enjoy the artwork. I just love opening the sets. You know, as a retailer, we only get them a couple of days early, but that's fine. Grookey, Glaceon, very cool. I'm loving the Evolution basic cards in these. Kilowattrel, Phantom, Litwick, and ooh, Blood Moon Ursaluna EX. Look at it, he's got like almost like a robotic eye. I mean, I know that's probably not what it is, but that's really cool. All right. Ursaluna is not a new character by any means, but Blood Moon Ursaluna, so that's cool. Alright, let's see here. Got quite the mess to clean up after this. Grookey, Helioptile, Finizen, Caretaker, Festival Grounds, Glimora, Poliwrath, Perrin, Feebas, Infernape, Basic Energy, and the code card. Helioptile, Finizen, Caretaker, feeling like we just had this one, Glimmet, Sandslash, Lucian, Darmanitan, Zapdos. Oh, a beautiful illustration of that Applin. You can just barely see all these little Applins in there. Can you guys see that okay on camera? How cool is that? Little Applin hiding behind the barrel there. I like that card. That's cool. Wish my apple trees would start to set some fruit already. Maybe next year. Alright. Let's see here. Glimmet, Lampent, Poltergeist, Ducklet, Hassel, Brute Bonnet, App Bomb, Kilowattrel, Girafarig, and a Hollow Hisuian Arcanine. Now that is a sweet card. I think my son would like that one. He's an Arcanine fan. That is some really cool artwork on that. Set that aside for him. Alright. Got 3 packs left in this stack. I believe I grabbed once or twice off that other stack. But, so we're probably just about halfway through here. Lampent, Poltergeist, Ducklet, Ninetales, Leafeon, Swanna, Glimora. I haven't seen Swanna in a set in a while. Ducklet, Feroki, Fenzap. I can't even say that. Anybody want to help me out in the comments below? Fezan de Petit. Wow, that I just, yeah, that one's crazy. Some of these names Pokemon comes up with, I just struggle with. I'm not gonna lie. All right. Trevenant, Emolga, Frogadier, Illuminis. Oh, that's a cool Snorlax. That's a cool Snorlax. Morpeko, Carmine, Tadbulb, Glimmet, Tinglu, and code card for you. That is a cool Snorlax. I like that one. All right, last pack on this side here, guys. Ninetales, Trevenant, Emolga, Frogadier, Bug Catching Set, Aggron, Clefable, Diplin, Varoom. There you go, a Dragapult EX. That's a cool. I love the shine on this card. Not a huge fan of Dragapult personally, but the shine, I just really like the artwork on that card. So, Dragapult's like a wannabe dragon slash, you know, reminds me of the lizard from Rescuers Down Under or something, you know? All right, let's see how many packs we actually have in this deck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 packs left in this on this side. Let's take a look. See if we can increase that pull rate here a little bit. Chimchar, Willipede, Crawdunt, Farfetch'd, Sandslash, Iron Bundle, Lucian, Thwacky Reverse Hollow. Oh, wow. Some beautiful artwork from this pincer. Wow, that's beautiful. So we've gotten a lot of artwork or illustration rares, enormous and so far. So that's really cool. That pincer is awesome. Definitely will have that one for sale on the site. That's chase card for any of y'all. Alright, Whirlipede, Crawdaunt, Farfetch'd, Torkoal, Kunkeldur, Revroom, Org's Mask. Oh, another A-Spec card, the Secret Box. Those are just beautiful cards. I almost hate to play with them. They're so beautiful. Swirlix, Sinistra. Sorry, better view. There you go. Okay. Torkoal, Kadabra, Howlucha, Tangrowth, Darmanitan, Carmine, Swanna, Luxio, Sandshrew. Ooh, a Palafin EX. Nice. And code card. Kadabra, Howlucha, Tangrowth, Venipede, Sunflora, Enhanced Hammer, Glay, ooh, Reverse Hollow Eevee, Darmaka, Walking Wake, and Basic Energy code card. Huh, alright, let's see. I mean, we've had some good pulls. Can't complain so far about this box. Venipede, Chansey, Jackloak, Poliwhirl, Bellibolt, Snorlax, Lanazade, Teal Mask, Orgrimmon. Yep. Oh, now that has to be somebody's chase card. I mean, that is absolutely gorgeous. Greninja EX. I mean, that is a stunning card. I don't even think the camera does that justice. Wow. Definitely a beautiful card. What a great pull. That probably just made up for that whole box. Just such a great pull. What's your guys' favorite Scarlet and Violet set so far that they've released? If you had to choose one, even the kind of specialties offsets, not just the regular sets like this one, but what would be your favorite? Comment down below, let me know. I actually definitely have to say 151. I have a feeling a lot of people will, but a lot of people didn't like that set just because the pull rates were so difficult on it. But let me know. What do you guys think? I actually hadn't opened up that much 151. I had it in the store and I sold a lot of it, but I did not personally get a chance to open it. I opened a little bit, obviously, even on the channel, but not a ton really. I think on the channel is all I actually did open up, honestly. But I absolutely love that set. I think they did such a great job with it. My son actually traded for the 151 Charizard that somebody pulled the set, one of our customers, and we sent it off to get graded. So we don't usually grade cards, so that was kind of fun. Cornerstone Mask, Oripon EX, another EX card. So pull's a pull, right? It's always exciting when you get a nice pull. So very cool. All right, Shinx, Clefairy, Varoom, Volbeat, Iron Bundle, Probopass, Love Ball, Poltergeist, Girder, and a Hollow Fenzadipity. I don't know how to say that. I want to say Serendipity, but obviously that's not even close. So let's see what else we got going here. Volbeat, Luxio, Goldeen, Dreepy, Handheld Fan, Morpeko, Hunkledore, Watrel, Skarmory, Iron Leaves, and code card for you. Alright, just a couple of packs left here, guys. Thanks for hanging with us. Appreciate you guys watching. And as I said, these cards as well as the ETBs, booster displays like this, as well as single packs. We're just looking to try your luck on a single pack. All for sale on dxgamesllc.com, as well as the pre-order for that next set coming out, which does look pretty good. And remember, they don't sell booster displays in those sets. They're the specialty sets that only come in ETBs, 6-pack boosters. They don't even sell individual booster packs for those. Box sets, so on and so forth, is all they sell. So that's the next set that's coming out. Alright. Sandygast, Feebas, Vulpix, Eevee, Diplin, Community Center, Farafigrig, Pinsir, Larion, and Muckidori. It's like a wannabe Grookey or something. Let's see here. Feebas, Vulpix, Eevee, Girafarig, Boomerang, Slurpuff, Perrin, Farfetch'd, Torkoal, ooh, Full Art Trainer of Lucian, Basic Energy, and the code card. Nice. I'll take that, definitely. Alright, we've got 4 packs left. Let's see if there's any other ultra rare or better in these last 4 packs. What's your prediction? Make it in the comments now. What is your prediction? Will there be another ultra rare pull? Or are we tapped out? Slugma, Brute Bonnet, Enhanced Hammer, Kilowattrel, Sunflora, Florjet, Zapdos for our holo, so not in that one. Alright, let's see. Hard to believe we've been through 33 packs already. Okay. Paroki, Phantom, Slugma, Tadbulb, Milotic, that's such a cool Pokemon, Ariados, Charon, Dracloak, Aeron, and ooh, we did. If you predicted that we'd get an ultra rare better in those last 4 packs, you were right. The Blissey EX. Looks like a Gigantamax Blissey. That's crazy. That is a huge Blissey. I don't remember. I played the Scarlet and Violet game, but I don't remember a Blissey Gigantamax. Applin, Swirlix. Sorry, I played the Sword and Shield game. Litwick, Gallade, Orgre's Mass, Probass, Helolisk, Reverse Holo Glaceon, and another Holo Hisuian Arcanine. Alright, last pack here. Let's see if we can get something special out of this one. Like I said, that Greninja was probably it, you know. There is a Greninja box set coming out. Applin, Swirlix, Litwick, Poochyena, Cramorant, Tatsugori, Figarath, Chansey. Oh, wow. Was I wrong? What an amazing card. I mean, Tatsuguri is just a weird Pokemon, but I'm a huge like koi fish and fish fan. That is just awesome. Awesome artwork. I mean, it's so bright and vibrant. Very cool. Dragon type Pokemon. Interesting. Chandelure, Energy, and that's it, guys. All right, let me do a quick recap for you guys. Don't forget to check out dxgamesllc.com. We have a lot more than just Pokemon on there. A lot of times we do pre-orders on One Piece. We have Legos, all kinds of stuff. Tatsuguri, Blissey EX, Lucian, Cornerstone Mask, Greninja EX, Palafin EX, Secret Box, Pinsir, Dragapult, Applin, Blood Moon Ursula, Glaceon is for me, Hassel, Wellspring Mask, Unfair Stamp, and a Torkoal. I mean, that was a good box opening, guys. Appreciate you guys watching, and we appreciate you guys. We hope you guys enjoy your pack openings. Thanks a lot, and take care.